How old is your hearing? So this is 8,000 hertz. If you can hear sound at this frequency, then your hearing counts as functional, and I wish mine wasn't. As we raise the frequency to 12,000, you have to either be specifically below the age of 50 or just have very good hearing to be able to hear it. At 15,000 hertz, you need to be below 40 years old. I'm really glad my hearing still works. The reason this happens, by the way, is fundamentally, loud noises damage your ears. So this is 16,000 hertz. Yes. I can still hear it, which indicates that my hearing age is below 30 years old. This next one is going to be 17,000 hertz, and if you can hear this, your hearing age is below 25, which means I would be defying my physical age. I think I can hear something. And if you can hear 19,000 hertz, yeah, it ain't happening for me. You have the hearing of someone under 20 years old.